Nyarangiontita ojo gotumanyibuna omuliki botambaze wizara y'obuchene susani Mochache igobonaganie serikali anekobwate nechengetali chia banyene asiganga yogokinia anene asokonyorobo wenia asense ya Kenya anabasobati konyara gokonyeka engana yabirige ko wokoboko na first lady Margaret Kenyatta robocho rwa senchira yobwekirano.
Without them it wouldn't be possible, so let's make the best of today.
Abasubati abange imeyorogongorwa Afrika nigo bagwetera amakongwa mange kebochanu ase omusangerekano ogatano na kabere bwabachanu bwabasubati imeya Afrika omorugi bwomorai bwense omusubati Margaret Kenyatta naerera gatie binto biragere obachanu gokinigwa ase abasubati.
Symposium's theme resonates with my own experience, highlighting the importance of partnerships and collaboration as a crucial component in advancing women's health. More specifically, how they contribute to access and quality healthcare by addressing the plight of mothers seeking care across the continent.
Ona kwanera gatie binto bikwirira abasubati abange ko unereriwa obwene bwabo egento gekwirira obachenu kwira nanse.
Issues range from showing the highest maternal deaths as well as social injustices such as female genital mutilation, gender-based violence, teenage pregnancies, and early marriage.
Kobeka abasubati bosyo na kobali baga eligo kwanera amangana y'obachenu nechinsemo chinde nechigokonya amangana y'abasubati koro Afrika amo nensengima.
Women at the center of economic development is essential, where women's participation in the marketplace is not only a powerful catalyst to realizing health equity, but also a pragmatic means of overcoming health inequity. Also united in the urgent need to reinforce our collective efforts in addressing the risks that threaten the gains we have made in women's health.
Omoliki obotambe ase wizara y'obachenu omusubati Susan Mochache nairali bage lyogo kwanera ali abasubati bagenderete gwetera ase amagimabo.
We have the highest deaths of women from birth-related complications, as well as leading incidences of adverse health outcomes amongst our adolescent population, a blot in the continent's civilization that we have painstakingly crafted together over the decades. It is indeed in gatherings like this that we are holding today that we must do a soul-searching, a deep dive that should bring to the surface pragmatic solutions beyond business as usual.
Abasubati basikwe banchwe na kwaegwa libaga eliokorwa ebirengerelyo byabo. Sara Nyarangi Ontita, Ndizi TV.